dates, rice flakes, vermicelli pasta soup, or dates, rice flakes, vermicelli coconut milk soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most different of the dessert soup recipes, one of the most unique of the dates recipes. Today we are going to make dates, rice flakes, vermicelli pasta soup, or sweet rice flakes, dates, vermicelli pasta soup. The ingredients are around 100 grams of semolina or vermicelli pasta, around 50 grams of dates, 6 to 8 cardamom pods, 25 grams of cashew, 25 grams of raisins, around 75 grams of rice flakes or beaten rice, and 250 ml of coconut milk, thin coconut milk. Heat the pan and pour in around 50 to 75 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Let the clarified butter get heated. And spread it in the pan. Put in the raisins. Until the raisins become soft. Take off the raisins from the pan and onto the plate. Now put in the cashew. Salt. Put in the cardamom pot, salt, put in the dates pieces, now put in the rice flakes or poha, salt, salt and mix, mix. Put in the vermicelli casting, salt and mix thoroughly. With the rest of the mixture. Now pour in the coconut milk and 250 ml. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture come to a boil. Mix all the ingredients in the mixture. Now put in 5 to 6 spoons of sugar. Mix thoroughly. Mix the sugar thoroughly with the rest of the mixture and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes in the open pan. Put in a pinch of salt. Mix. If you are using the pressure cooker, it will take 3 minutes of cooking. After cooking for the required amount of time, now the dates, rice flakes, vermicelli, coconut milk soup is nearly ready. Now put in the cashew and the raisins that we fried earlier into the soup. Now the soup can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Dates, rice flakes, vermicelli, coconut milk soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the dessert soup recipes and one of the most different of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most nutritious of the vermicelli pasta recipes and one of the most different of the pasta recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.